Hi you guys, it's Pussy coming back to you with another freaking video, and as you can tell by the title of the video, I will be teaching you how to make lip gloss boxes. People use lip gloss boxes because, it makes their business look more professional. The things you would need is a computer, scissors, paper cutting board, whatever you want to call it, and your lip gloss, a Cricut machine, and a hot glue gun. The template that's on the screen, I will have it available for only $4. So if you want to purchase that, just comment in the comment section below, and I will tell you my PayPal account so you can be able to send the $4. Now there is many ways to make this template, but I'm just going to show you the way to do it with a Cricut machine. But there's also a way to do it without the Cricut machine, which is basically printing and cutting it out yourself. But this is the most easier way. And don't forget that you will also need pretty paper. You will need thick paper, okay? So make sure the paper that you're getting is basically like construction paper. And I think that's about it. So right now I'm going to show you the right way to measure your lip gloss tube so you can find the right height. So this is my ruler, and this is my lip gloss tube, and all you want to do is just measure from the base to the top. Mine is about 3.2 inches, so you always want to add 2 extra inches. Okay, so it will be around 5.2 in height. So right now I'm just going to show you my screen recording. Okay, so right now I am on Cricut Design, and I know you can't see the whole screen, but if you have Cricut Design, you know what I'm doing. So right now I am taking the dotted lines and I am basically making them invisible. So right now I'm going to show you that you can add any shape for the window for your lip gloss box. You don't need to keep this oval shape. So right now I'm going to choose hard, and I'm going to use the rectangular shaped to basically measure my heart down and make sure that I have it in the middle. But you don't have to, add a window to your box if you do not want a window. I ended up at the end of the video taking my window out, so I didn't really need to keep that in. But once everything is like how you want it, you want to select the whole thing and you want to attach it. Once you attach it, it will cut out like the main part of the box, which is the outline of the box and the outline of the heart. So go ahead and attach it. And at this point, you will want to change the size, the height of the box, which I told you earlier, it would be 5.2. So now I'm going to hit make it, and it's going to bring you up to the matte screen. And I'm basically just trying to move it around to see how many I can fit on there. So I realized I can fit 4, but you will have to change the size of the mat, which I think I changed it to 12 by 24 or something like that, even though I'm using a 12 by 12 mat. Okay, so just move it around to basically fit all 4 lip gloss boxes onto the mat. And then after that, you will select continue or click continue and choose construction paper, or I forget what it's called, but look up construction paper and choose like the heaviest one, and I think it's like 100 or something like that. So so right now I'm just making sure that the image is less than the 12 inches. And that is about that. Okay, so now my machine is going to cut out these images. Okay, so now you have all of your templates cut out. As you can see, I have 4. And now this is the time when you want to get your paper cutter, your pair of scissors, and plug up your hot glue gun. So all you want to do is just take one of your templates, flip it over, and basically score your creases in, okay? So you want to align the creases, this corner, this point to that point to that point, that inner point to that point, this point to the outer point, this point to that point. You want to go about 20 millimeters down, increase that side, the outer point all the way to the other end. And then you also want to go 20 millimeters down on this end. And that's about it. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I line it up. So I'm lining this point up with a point over there. You just want to make sure everything is straight and aligned correctly. Then I'm going to take my scissors, increase the paper like so. Then I'm just going to continue doing it, aligning the points together, increase. And now you're all done with the creases. And now all you want to do at this point is fold the box along the creases. Make sure that you're folding along the creases and not creating your own line, because it will make the box look very tacky at the end. And you do not want that look. You want your business to look as clean as possible. And I forgot to mention that it is a way to add your business name to the boxes, but I didn't do that in this video. But if y'all want to see it, I will show you how it looks. So at this point, you want to grab your hot glue gun and carefully add glue. Spread it around on the box, okay? And then connect the other end to the glue part of the box. And when I say when you use hot glue guns, when you use a hot glue gun, your box is much sturdier than using tape. So let me show you what my lip gloss looked like inside of the box. Here's my lip gloss, and here's the box. So here's the inside of the box. As you can see, you have room to put another lip gloss up in the inside. If you want to make this smaller, just go down on the width of the box, okay? But all I did was fold the top in, and this is what the box looks like, y'all. The sturdiness depends on the type of paper you purchase. So anyways, I hope y'all love how this box turned out. I hope this video came across you as simple as possible. Like I said, this is a easy lip gloss box to make. Once again, if you don't like all that space in your box, you most definitely can go down on the width of the box. And I think that's about it. And if you want to purchase this template, it's only $4, and you can edit the template. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, just comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share my video. Please like and share my video if this was helpful to you. But anyways, peace out until next time.